Hey loves, hey, today I'm bringing you a self-care maintenance video. I'll be showing you my weekend hair care, fitness, body care, skin care, nail care, and relaxation routine. So if you're interested in tapping into my wonderful world of self-care, keep watching. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Starting with hair care, I'm using the Dream Girls hair care kit. I found these products on Instagram and saw that people were achieving amazing growth results while protective styling, so I decided to give these products a try. I am going to start with the TLC comb out treatment. This is supposed to make detangling extremely easy, so I'm going to add this product to some water and then start detangling away. So I did a light detangle when I was taking down my knotless braids. Now I'm sectioning my hair so I can go in and really detangle my hair. Yeah, so I'm very particular about how I detangle my hair. I like to start by finger detangling and pulling the strands apart at the very root of my hair and then working my way down to the tips. I feel like this just helps with length retention and avoiding breakage. And so that's kind of what I'm doing here. I really like this comb out solution because I think it made detangling so much easier. And look, I did not lose a lot of hair. This is all shed hair. I left this TLC treatment in my hair for 20 minutes now. I'm going to wash it out with this renewing shampoo. No, I'm not getting into the shower yet, so I'll be using my handy dandy spray bottle to help with this wash process. I'm focusing on my scalp because I just had knotless braids and I want to make sure that I'm unclogging my follicles and helping to increase blood circulation to my scalp. Time to go in with this deep conditioner. This product is thick and creamy at the same time. Y'all know I love this type of consistency. In case you're wondering, I like to wash and condition my hair in braids because it prevents tangling and just makes my hair easier to manage. Y'all, I forgot all my heating tools in San Francisco. And so time for a hair hack. If you don't have heat tools to help with deep conditioning, grab 2 processing caps, a towel or a Turby twist, and a bonnet. Run some errands or do a workout because that will help generate heat and allow your hair strands to absorb the conditioner. It's body maintenance time. This year I'm focused on snatching my waist and maintaining a healthy, happy body, hence this workout. Y'all, I was tired. This is not my full workout, but if you do want to do full workouts with me, check out my workout with me playlist and we can get snatched together. All right, that's a wrap on the workout portion of this video. Now it's time to wash out this deep conditioner and do the last 2 steps of the hair care process. I'm also going to style and prep my hair for my next protective style. Let's go to the bathroom and get this hair care process wrapped up. Let's wrap this up. All right, let's go. Actually, it's tea time. If you follow my channel, you know I don't play with my MSM collagen and vitamin C tea. It's helped with my hair growth journey, so here's how I make it. I'll leave a link to my video on MSM and vitamin C down below or in the cards. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. All right, back to my hair. Now I'm going in with this renewing conditioner, which is absolutely heavenly. It's given me that tingling sensation that I love so much. You guys know I'm obsessed with peppermint oil, and this product either has menthol or peppermint oil in it because I can feel the tingle. Directions on the bottle and the directions on the information card in the box say 2 different things. The bottle says 3 to 5 minutes and the card says 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do 15 minutes because you can never go wrong with a little extra conditioning. So I'm gonna quickly run to CVS to buy some dye for my protective style and then I'll be back. Finally, we are almost done with the hair care portion of this maintenance video. I'm going to start by oiling my scalp with this True Essence oil treatment. It does have that tingling sensation. I'm really annoyed that the pump wasn't really working, so that's why I was struggling. And then I'm going to go in with the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. And then I'm going to seal with the Mane Choice split end treatment because I want to protect my ends. And then finally, I will braid my hair down to prepare for my next protective style. So yes, this concludes the hair portion of this video. Shall we move on? Okay, body hair time. This is one of my favorite parts of self-care. I'll be using my sprays products that I talked about in one of my other videos. No, this is not a sponsored video, but I have been loving these products and decided to feature them here. So I'm gonna start with washing my body with the Sprays shower gel and my African sponge. You're only gonna get my arm because I haven't figured out how to film a shower shot without showing my goodies. And so yeah, you're only gonna get the arm right now. Then I am going to go in with the exfoliating scrub. I absolutely love this scrub. You guys already know this if you watched my last video because it makes my skin feel so soft and touchable. I love it. And then I'm gonna move into lotioning my body. Yes, again, you're only getting the arm because we gotta keep our goodies to ourselves. It's time for my at-home facial. These are the products I'll be using tonight. My skin has been acting a fool lately. We are talking extreme hormonal acne, cystic acne, and I can't live with pimples on my face, so I tried to pop them, and now I am dealing with dark marks and all the nonsense. So we're working on that. The first step of this process is going to be to steam and exfoliate using my Lenove steamer and my Minimo turmeric face scrub. I'll include links down below. Next, I'm going to gently massage and steam my skin, which you see me doing here. Gotta stop and get a nice little thumbnail. Now I'm going to gently remove this face scrub using cool water and a paper towel. I'm going to be very gentle with my skin. Let me not forget, I am going to use my Laneige lip mask because it helps keep my lips feeling soft and kissable. Next, I'm going to use this face mask because it's got vitamin C in it, which will help with my hyperpigmentation and dark marks. Now it's time to do my nails. Now I'm trying to save money, so I'm cutting back on my nail salon visits. I found some amazing, affordable gel manicure products on Amazon and figured, let me try my hand at doing my own nails. It was easy to do my left hand, but honestly, doing the right hand was a struggle because it is my dominant hand. However, I don't think I did that bad. I think the key is to paint really thin layers and allow the gel to cure for 90 seconds with each layer. How do you think I did? Back to my face, I'm trying this new Tula Vitamin C serum because it's getting raving reviews from brown skin bloggers, so I decided to give it a try. I'm gonna use my Rose Quartz facial roller to help with, blood circulation and penetrating this. Honestly, I do not know if this really does anything, but it makes me feel luxurious, and so I use it. Then I'll top this all off with my Murad water gel and rose hip seed oil because these products help keep my face feeling super moisturized. I am literally tapping these products into my skin because that's how my skin likes it. Finally, this long day of tender love and caring is coming to an end. I honestly think I deserve some wine. So I'll be drinking this Starborough Sauvignon Blanc. Dr. Bay made some salmon, couscous, and sauteed veggies and tomatoes. So I'm going to have dinner and we are going to Netflix and chill. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.